So I went shopping at Walmart, picked up my new GoPro. So anyway, on the other video I was telling you how I really just didn't like using my cell phone. Well, I'm using my cell phone right now to film this, but my cell phone is not suited for working on a car or working on a lawnmower or mowing a yard. So I got my GoPro, I got my chest mount thingy, and I got the head mount thing, which also comes with an extra little clip-on thing, so I can, clip it onto stuff. But what I've got here, I got my receipt. The GoPro Hero 8, $299. The chest mount thing, $39. And then this, $19. And these are the this is the actual GoPro brand chesty and head strap and the clip-on. And the reason I wanted to go ahead and get the GoPro brand versus, say, the whole kit that you can get that's an off-brand is because I've heard people say that the off-brand stuff is not as good, doesn't last as long, and also may not fit properly. But anyway, $299, $39, and $19. So it came up to $357, and then added tax of $34.81. So all this right here package that I picked up at Walmart, a total of $391.81. So that's what I paid for this. But for me, it's a good investment because I want to have the ability to, whenever I work on a car, have this thing on my head or my ball cap that I wear, and also be able to clip it on to different parts of the car, like in the engine compartment or underneath the car or whatever while I'm working on it. So I wanted to have that, but also have this. And if I happen to like do yard work or other odds and ends, even working on a car or anything that I do, if I got the chest mount thing here, then I will be able to, I guess you could see, kind of in the picture how it would be on my body. It would be kind of like right over my heart. And it comes with this this big piece right there. It also blocks the sound of your heartbeat. And I've heard that some of the off brands don't do that as well. So this one, that's why I went with the GoPro brand. It's because I wanted to make sure that I actually had in here what I really want out of this. But this thing, there's the back of the package so you can see it. In here it comes with the camera, the battery, what is that other thing? All the little screw-on thingy, little piece that fits under it, the piece that fits on the tripod, I believe, the cable, and a carrying case. I haven't opened this yet, so I'm going to do it right now. It's got this little thing on the back here. Ooh, there you go. Yeah. So I'll go ahead and pull this out. Let me move this out of the way. So in my other video, I told when I talked about getting this, I told you that I would actually. Ooh, look at that! Isn't that pretty? It's a nice little solid case. So I guess everything's in the case. Ooh, I like that. That's a nice little well built. I didn't realize it's going to have such a nice case. Open. There we go. Whoa. Oh, look at that. Brand spanking new, baby. Woo. So up here's the, these look like little stickers, little instruction thing on how to, do your battery and your cable. And then this side is showing you, different ways that you can mount it. Like a lot of people want to stick that thing on top of their helmets, like if they're bike riders or something. You get that thing you stick on top of your helmet and attach your GoPro to it. And that's this thing here. See how it's got the double-sided tape on it? That's so you can stick it on something. I thought it was the actual put on a tripod thing with a little screw bottom on it, but it's not. It's you peel that red cover off and it exposes the thick double-sided tape, and the way it's made is to fit actually on a helmet. Up there. And here's your little cable to go with it, that size, and then that size. I guess it's for either charging. Yeah, it's for charging, but also for your data transfer if you hooked it up to your computer. And there's the little screw on thing. Ooh, there's your little battery. Look at that. Nice little, almost looks like an ink cartridge. Nice little battery. And here's the other thing I was talking about. And this is what the little screw thing fits into. There we go. So you have your thing there that would sit into this, and you'd be able to, once it sit in there, then you'd be able to put this in there and tighten it up. All right, I'm going to pull the little GoPro out. Look at it here real quick. Come on, get out. There we go. Ooh, look at that. It's got a little bit of weight to it. I mean, not much weight, but a little sturdy weight that it's a feel-good kind of weight. It's like it feels like the perfect weight for the camera, but it's not too heavy. It's like if I had it on my hat or my head, it wouldn't be too heavy. But it does have a little bit of weight to it, not much at all. But it's got the protective paper around it. Protective, you can see these little pull things, little plastic cover, protective coating there, and also over here. Brand new. Let me pull this out, see if there's anything else. Nope. I like this little carrying case. This is kind of nice. I'm not going to power it up right now. I need to charge it. I had to put my battery in, but I just wanted to show you what I got for my money. And let me put this back in there. What I'm going to end up doing is putting it on the charger. I guess this is the operator's manual. Have product questions? Chat with our experts. Yeah, it's kind of like a little product manual. Important product information, safety information, other odds and ends. But didn't really tell you a whole lot. Put that back in there. All right, I'm excited. I'm gonna end up opening this and putting it on and trying it out, and also this, and maybe in a few days I'll be doing videos using this. So let me know what you think. Have you got any experience using your chesty and your head mount? And if you do, and you got anything you want to suggest on proper usage or how to protect your GoPro from damage or anything like that, let me know. because this is my first go with the GoPro. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. It's a little bit longer video than I planned, but I don't know, it's kind of excited. Talk to you later. Bye.